Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate XRP wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. The first thing that you need to do is set up your XRP wallet. Choose a wallet that supports XRP like Trust Wallet, and now once you do that, all you gotta do is simply download and then open up your wallet, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once you do that, here what you need to do is search for XRP or Ripple in the list of assets and enable it if required. Tap receive or deposit to review your XRP wallet address. Copy the address or scan the QR code. Number 3 is to fund your wallet. To activate your XRP wallet, send at least 10 XRP to the wallet address. And then number 4 is to confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the XRP ledger. Check the wallet balance. Once the transaction is complete, the wallet should now display the deposited XRP minus any network fees. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.